Good morning, everyone. Chris Bretcher here with another 3-minute learning series. This one's on how we traded Hood yesterday after the whoosh. Now, a whoosh can be on the upside or downside. You can call it a crescendo, but usually what it means is you get this move up and then you get the whoosh. So that can be on a daily. You saw a lot of those, and I did a video on how to trade the follow through the next day, and it worked on a lot. Well, you also get whooshes intraday. So you saw it with Carvana. Check that out on the right. So you got the whoosh, and look at the capitulatory volume. Well, we played Hood instead, and I'll show you on how we did it. So you have usually what happens is a whoosh on the upside is after a protracted up move, and then you see like the big old break up like that. On the way down, a lot of times what I see is the protracted down move. But what you see is it culminates not in a gap down, but in a big air hole all the way like that. And as you see on the left, it went right to the 50 moving average. That doesn't mean to blindly buy it though, but go and check this out and look at the volume. That is capitulatory volume in my book. You had it here also. So how do you trade it? Well, number one, you're not going to be able to buy on the way down. And the reason you don't buy on the way down is the options are active. So it's not like it used to be where on the crescendo down, all of a sudden they'd make the bid 3, the offer 7, let's say, on calls, and you have to put in a low ball bid. You can wait for the stabilization, which is what we did. So let me show you on how we did it. So number one, you're looking for that support on the left. Number two, you're feeling that capitulatory. You can think of all the people that buy bull squeezes and get themselves whack-oled. So the next thing you're going to watch in here, and I'll put it on the left, we're going to put Robinhood on a 1-minute chart. What you're going to see in here is when did it stabilize? We called this as it happened. You had the whoosh like I talked about. You don't know yet whether it's going to keep going down, but it was pretty capitulatory. You could watch just the volume come into it. Does everybody see where to buy it? You buy it on the bull flag. That is at the culmination of, I call it the Stewie pattern. Sort of an inverse head and shoulders. You can highlight it. It looks like Stewie from Family Guy, especially if you had martinis for lunch. So the key in there is to buy it on the way up. What did we do? Then we bought call broken wing flies. So we bought the 99s, we sold the 107s, and bought the 110s. We did it for $2.99. Today we sold it at $3.90. So the key is the capitulatory, the consolidation, and then the breakup. Have a good one. Take care.